In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your recording settings in OBS Studio by adjusting the bitrate. This is an essential skill to ensure you're keeping your file sizes manageable without sacrificing too much quality. So, whether you're a content creator, a teacher, or anyone who might be using OBS Studio, this quick guide is going to help you streamline your process and perhaps save a bit of storage space. First off, let's head over to OBS Studio. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch it from your applications. OBS Studio is a powerful tool for video recording and live streaming, and it's freely available to anyone who wants to improve the quality of their recordings. Once OBS Studio is open, the place you'll want to navigate to is the Settings menu. You'll find this option in the lower right corner of the interface. Clicking Settings opens a whole menu of options for you to customize virtually every aspect of your recording. Today, though, we're focusing on just the output settings. Within the Settings menu, look on the left-hand side for the Output tab. Click on Output, and what you'll see is a range of settings related to both streaming and recording. It's these settings that determine the quality and size of the files you create. Now, what we really want to do is take a look at the recording section within Output settings. One of the key metrics that we can adjust to manage file size is the bit rate. The bitrate effectively determines how much data is used per second of video. As a rule of thumb, a higher bitrate will mean better quality but also larger file sizes, whereas a lower bitrate means smaller files at the expense of some quality. For many users, the trade-off here is entirely manageable. If you're dealing with limited storage space or are looking to optimize your data usage, reducing the bitrate just slightly can make a difference without a noticeable decline in quality for most applications. Typically, a bitrate in the range of 2,500 to 5,000 kbps is a reasonable starting point for standard HD video. Explore different values until you find the sweet spot that balances quality and file size according to your specific needs. After you've adjusted the bitrate to your liking, make sure to apply the changes by hitting Apply followed by OK to exit the Settings menu. Taking these simple steps will help ensure that your recordings aren't taking up more space than necessary while still meeting your quality expectations. And there you have it. With just these few clicks in the OBS Studio settings, you are now better equipped to handle file sizes without compromising too much on quality. That wraps up our guide for today. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your OBS Studio experience smoother and more efficient. Keep experimenting with different settings to see what works best for your particular setup. Thanks for watching and happy recording.